This video is about racing stickers. Here are some stickers which are printed in our offset printing house with the custom design of our client. These stickers are made with clear vinyl sticker stock. You can have this type of stickers with your own design, and we can provide you free design. Just visit our website where you can chat live with our advisors, and you can also call us on the number given on our website. We are providing free shipping services with best discounted prices. Thanks for watching this video.